Hey, someone came up to me yesterday looking to attend the klezmer workshop, and they said, I'm not sure what klezmer music is. Is it right for me? And so klezmer music is Eastern European Jewish music, and it sounds like this. And what klezmer music is, what I'm going to be discussing in the workshops, are the three chords that make up klezmer music, which are, you need to know the D major, the C minor, and the G minor chord. And what we're going to learn is how to put those together in the right rhythm. D major to C minor to D major. And how we do the klezmer scale on the right hand to fit in with those chords to derive all sorts of klezmer songs like Hava Nagila, Mizerlu, songs from Fiddler on the Roof. So given these tools, these three chords with that klezmer scales, you can understand almost the entirety of klezmer music. Anyways, these workshops are happening live Monday and Tuesday and the following Monday and Tuesday, and obviously there's a course on accordion love. Let me know if you have any questions.